Okay folks, tonight we're going to do some night flying. I've got my EF-2000. I've removed the wing tanks, missiles things there, and I got it all set up to put the lights on it. And I've got my transmitter ready with lights and everything ready to go. Checked everything out. Camera's ready. Get the lights together. I've got the batteries charging. I'm using my cell spy to check the voltages on the batteries real quick before I go out there, and I won't have to mess with it. The ones that need charged, like right now I'm charging this one on my Thunder AC6. Just used zip ties. And we'll turn those on. Have one on the bottom. White one. So we're going to fly that EF-2000.
We are getting ready to night fly. Oh, gotta have runway lights. There's more out there. I don't know if you can see it. There's one right there. One right there. Oh, and he's moving one. Dave is running around cracking lights open. These chemical lights. Once it gets dark, we'll be flying.
Yeah, one of my subscribers sent me a canopy. It's X canopy. He says I won't break it. He actually sent me 3 of them. One that's painted. These were rejects. And that's a painted one. If you paint it on the inside, of course, it'll be even shinier. This is one that I can play with, and one that I went ahead and put on my Blu-ray. I'm going to fly the Blu-ray tonight with lights on it. So what I thought I would do is go ahead and put the clear canopy on and put a blue light in here and see how this looks. But the canopy fit on. I only had to make a couple of very few modifications for it to fit. The holes were already here. It looks pretty cool. So, you know, I don't know. He says you can't actually damage it. So, I mean, I can crumple this thing all up into pieces. And it doesn't even put a dent in it. Everything just pops right out. Pretty amazing stuff, whatever it is. Some kind of a polycarbonate. Same thing with this. I mean, you're not going to crack or break this one. Pretty good if you're going to be bashing your helicopter around. It's called X canopy. Let's take it out and fly it. Let me turn on the rest of the lights here. Shake this up a little bit. Get these lights going. Now let's go out and see what we can see. Okay, shut it off, Barry, and let's go ahead and see if I can get it spinning. Here we go.
Oh, it's starting to rain pretty good now.
Hit the spotlight. Hey. That was fun. I liked it.
I thought you were going to test the X canopy though.
Yeah, I did. It didn't break. Waterproof.
Bottom.
I gotta see it. Make sure it gets on the right side of the landing here. There it is. Okay. Now, where's the right? We got them on. Give it a second. Ready, set, launch.
Okay, coming around. That worked out pretty good.
That was serious. That was serious. I had full up in it. I got a little too much nose weight in it. Kind of hard to see and raining in my eyeball. Okay, it's a little wet too, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right. Jeff Martin, first time at night flying the Phantom.
First time night flying anything.
First time night flying anything. And I'm gonna put it on the NightFlyyer Apult. The red is always on the left wing.
And the green's always on the right.
That's right.
Okay, we're ready to go. Ready?
Ready. Ready on the spotlight too.
Here we go.
Windy up there. You're upside down.
Oh,
Turn left. Come this way now.
I'm trying.
Push forward. It's so windy. Yeah, here was the spotlight. Did you shut your autopilot off?
Yeah, it's off. Yeah, way too much up. And I can't reach my camera.
Man, the wind is fierce around this house, Jeff.
I just lost it.
Keep flying. Shut it off.
It's off. That wind.
Where are we here?
Perfect landing in the front yard. I couldn't even see it. I just kind of like pulled up, just a little tap up, and it looks like it's fine.
Well, do it again, man. Anytime you're ready, Jeff.
Marsh, get set, launch.
Stay out there.
catches it. And all of a sudden it's gone. I had pulled left and up, and I was trying to bring it back, and doggone it.
Shucks doggone. Let's see if he did a perfect landing this time, folks. Oh, nobody
But
believed
it's
that.
upside down.
Oh.
But it's the same spot again.
Ah, yes. Another successful night flight. All of my birds are back in the garage, back in their hangar. Got the lights up there. Wish we had more time, but again, it was raining out there tonight, folks. And we'll do it again here pretty soon. But that was fun.